I am very sure by now you have a clarity about idea and intention behind whatever you want to do. With that, let me introduce you to the roadmap. Roadmap to the success. Mountain of success, and we have to reach to that peak. But to reach to that peak, we have some milestones on the way. The first one was idea and intention, and we already talked about it. The second one is skill, the most important milestone. My dear friend, ideas are very cheap. Yes, so many of them have same idea, but how many succeed? Very few. That's why idea and intention is just a spark. But to elevate that spark and make that spark into the fire, you must have that skill. Now imagine, I wanted to share my mehndi art with all of you, but if I would not have the same skill, would I have been here in front of you? No, not possible. Now to acquire skill, we have two different routes. One is go to some expert who has spent that time, energy, money and learn and master this art or whatever you want to learn. They have mastered that. They can encapsulate everything, all the techniques and everything, and just serve to you directly, fast track. While another approach is self-learning. Dig all the information that is available for free. But you have to spend that time to dig everything, practice, learn, find out your own mistakes. So all the trials and errors, you have to go through it. It can be very long route. Nothing wrong about it, but it can be very long that can frustrate you. You might give up in the end and you might not reach anywhere. Whatever route you take, I personally believe if you want to excel and if you want to succeed, go with route 1, because I always say learning is earning and your earning can excel your learning. So with your learning you can earn much more. Little bit confusing? Okay, let me explain with one example. I have two friends. They wanted to learn baking because they had lots of time on their hands. Children grown up and they wanted to do by themselves. One friend took first route, go and learn from someone who is expert in this field, while another friend wanted to venture by herself, like digging all the information, because she felt in this era and time when all the informations are available for free, then why we should waste our money on something that is available for free. Fair enough. The one who took classes now has established business already. She started taking orders and now she is actually earning more than whatever she had already spent on learning. Fair enough. The another friend who took self-learning approach is still learning, is still struggling with the right recipe. One day her cake is excellent, another day her frosting is melting. So every day she is learning something new, but she is still going through that learning process, while another has already started earning. So whatever road you want to take, it depends on your situation and no judgment about it. The only thing I can say is, the one, if you take classes, if you learn from expert, can fast track you. The another, self-learning, could be little bit longer route, can frustrate you and you might give up and you can go haywire from your final destination. So choice is yours and you are right now here in this course. It shows you value your time and energy and you believe that investing little bit money in learning something is more valuable. So kudos to you.